How to enable prone button on PUBG. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Gaming Basics. Today I am going to guide you how to enable prone button on PUBG. Enabling prone button on PUBG is quite easy, so without any delay, let's start the video. Open PUBG Mobile. Launch the PUBG Mobile on your mobile device. Go to Setting. On the main screen, tap on the setting icon located at the bottom right corner. Navigate to Controls. In the setting menu, select the Control tab on the left side. Customize your layout. Under Controls, tap on Customize to access the layout of your control buttons. This will open the control customization screen where you can drag and place button according to your preferences. Locate the prone button. Look for the prone button on the screen. Position the prone button. Drag the prone button to a convenient location on your screen where it's easy to access during gameplay. Save your setting. After positioning your prone button, tap Save, usually located at the top of the screen. And here you go, it's done. That's how you can do it. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.